Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Got a beautiful 1955 Mercury Montclair convertible. It's been body off the frame restored. This is the 5th or 6th car I've got from a gentleman named George. He likes restoring old mid-50s Fords. I've had a couple of these and a few Thunderbirds from him. He does a really nice job. You can go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the specs, study about 100 pictures top to bottom, and that's where you find the prices on all of the collector cars that we have for sale. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoy watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on that bell icon. You'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But for right now, why don't you join me? Let's go for a spin. Yep, just like I said, body, this big giant body was lifted off the frame. They must have needed a crane to do that. And the whole chassis was restored. The suspension, the ball joints, bushings, steering, all of that has been restored. New springs, new shocks. Now in back it has new bushings in the springs. It has lowering blocks. The shocks have been replaced. The brake system's been completely rebuilt. It's all the original drum brakes all around. It's all redone. It's got a new dual exhaust system underneath there. You look up at the motor, it's clean because it was just rebuilt. Has the Mercury automatic transmission that's also clean because it was just rebuilt. The fuel tank is new. So underneath the car was done very thoroughly. The metal is all clean under the car. It was painted the red oxide primer. And it looks like it was given a clear coat protective finish because there's a nice satiny sheen. So underneath the floors are beautiful and the chassis is all black. The body is really nice and straight. The doors fit really well, no bubbles or blisters. I always feel along the bottoms because that's where it's going to happen typically. All this lines up nice. According to the tag, it's an original red car. I think they called it Carmen red. But this is all nice and polished and beautiful. The chrome is beautiful. The bird looks new. The emblem looks new. The bumper's been re-chromed. It's all real nice. The whole grille, everything up here is really nice and fits really well too. All of this is really good. All this looks new. Firestone, white wall tires, really nice Mercury hubcaps. Got some nice deluxe mirrors, a little freckling in the chrome. Windshield's real nice. Again, everything fits nice. Rocker moldings are straight. All this trim is all real good. Door handle looks new. This is all really nice. This isn't a $200,000 Pebble Beach restoration, but this is a very high quality car. It's got a nice convertible top boot. All the interior is redone. Yeah, back here, all this chrome looks great. It's got stainless exhaust tips. The medallion here, tail lights. Actually, the more I'm looking at all the chrome and trim, it is very impressive. It's an expensive car to restore. This isn't like a Camaro or Mustang. This stuff is a lot more money than a Mustang taillight would be. Trunk compartment's all solid. He even paid for the 5th matching white wall on a restored red rim. Looks like he has the jack assembly. It's got the plaid mat, new well liner, new weather strip. It's got some service books will go with it as well. Interior is gorgeous. It's as pretty as the outside of the car. The pattern, the chrome, it's the steering wheel, it's beautiful. The engine, I think they came with 292s. The motor was shot. He got a 312 engine, and it's completely rebuilt. And it's all stock. The valve covers, the air cleaner. It even has a reproduction style Fomoco battery. Has a disconnect switch too. This has power steering, power brakes. All the components in here look nice and clean. That's a brand new aluminum radiator. It looks identical to the original, but it's aluminum painted black. It does have the suspension lubrication system, which is kind of cool to see there. People are going to say, what is that? That's not functional, but it is there. Everything else on the car, he says, is functional. Look at these beautiful door panels, all this wide polished trim. The pattern on the door panel matches the patterns on the seat I just noticed. Same fabrics, all new carpet. The whole dash area is beautiful, all the knobs and gauges and lenses, and everything's real nice. The clock is even ticking. In back it has the Mercury head up here in the seat, and it lights up when you open the door. It's got an armrest that folds down, and all the upholstery, door panels, carpets, all new. Beautiful steering wheel. I always think I'm going to have a collection of steering wheels on the wall in my office. Some of these steering wheels are so cool. Visors are new. Glove box liner's new. The light even works in there. Door jambs are painted up real nice. The convertible top, we have pictures on our website of the top. It's a new white top. It's power. He replaced the rams and the power top lines, the hoses. He said the heater core was replaced. Went through the car very thoroughly. Any of these old Fords, you got to put them in neutral to start them. I can tell the dash lights light up. Yeah, that runs nice. Big cruiser. Power steering, power brakes. It's going to be easy to drive. Pretty sure he just told me all the wiring was replaced as well. You can read the description I post online. I'll confirm that in my description. Oh, no horn. Oh, we do have a horn. There you go. Gorgeous 55 Mercury convertible. Now you know, going down the road, this is gorgeous. You pull in any car show, there's Chevelles and Camaros lined up, and Mustangs. Look at this baby right here. That's my impression. You can go to volocars.com. That's where you can get in touch with the salesman. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to ask them. They will help you out the best they can. They can also get this delivered to your driveway. They can help with financing. Go to volocars.com. If you just enjoy watching the videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on that bell icon. You'll be notified as the new ones are posted. Thanks for watching.